In this video, I will be showing you how to download the Brave browser. The first thing that we are going to do is go to any web browser and type into the URL Brave search engine. The URL can be found right down here or right up here. Alright, and I'm going to type in to one of the URLs, Brave browser. Once you have it typed down, press enter on your keyboard. Then you're going to look for brave.com. Should be this one right here, brave.com. You're going to click it, and you're going to wait for it to load. And then here's the website. Browse 3 times faster than Chrome. Brave stops online surveillance, loads content faster, and uses 35% less battery. So we're going to click this orange button that says Download Brave. And then on the bottom left-hand corner, where it says Brave Browser Setup.exe, you're going to click this little arrow button, and then you're going to click Open when done. Then you're going to wait. Alright, and then it should load for Windows users. User account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Okay, and I'm going to press yes. And then I'm going to wait for it to install. How you will know when it is done downloading: it will automatically open a different web browser, and it should look something like this when it's done downloading. So to the right here you have your times, you have how many trackers and ads it blocked, bandwidth saved, and time saved as well. You have frequently visited websites. Over here you have all of the different ones. So for this one, it is for you to buy cryptocurrency on crypto.com. You have Binance, another way how to buy cryptocurrency, it looks like. You have Brave Rewards, so every time you click on a Brave ad, it will give you bats, which in turn they will give you a small percentage of the profits that they make from you clicking off of that ad. You also have Customize right here. It just has Brave image background. You have Brave Stats, which is this one right here. Then you have Top Sites, which are these. Brave Today, which is their news platform, where they have multiple different news sources like CNN News, Engagement, Digital Trends, 9 to 5 Mac, Android Central, and more. You also have a clock. You can change it from 24-hour time to 12-hour time. And then they have the cards, which are right here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you download the Brave browser. Please kindly provide your feedback in the comment section below. This will help me improve. And don't forget to smash a like to this video and click the subscribe button to never miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you. See you on the next one.